Hi, you guys. Thanks so much for joining me here today. These videos are something new that I've been working on, but I'm really excited about them because I, would really love to share how I make these embroideries with all of you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. In this video, I am showing you how to make, or how to stitch, I should say, the elements in my beach aerial embroideries. So these embroideries are primarily, the painted background of the ocean and the sand, and all of the stitched elements are things like towels, umbrellas, and people. What I love about these embroideries is that, it's kind of abstract. Instead of stitching people with like hands and feet and, getting really detailed. When you're looking down on a beach from really far away, people just sort of look like tiny ants. They look like dots. So that's the kind of perspective I take when I'm making these. So they're actually really simple. You're really just using simple shapes. So like for my umbrellas, they're really just sort of pizza pie. I like to call them pizza pies. It's just 6 triangles. So in the one that I'm stitching right now, I already did 3 blue triangles, my pizza slices, and now I'm switching to the white. Oh, sorry, I kind of got cut off right there. Taking video of embroidering is kind of difficult. I'm learning. I'll give you another angle later, but for my umbrellas, they're basically just triangles. So now I'm putting in my white pizza slices with the white section of the umbrella. And depending on the amount of space that I've given myself, I'll probably do like 2 or 3 umbrellas because they're the bigger elements next to the towels and the people. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. I don't remember what it was. Oh yes, start with the umbrellas first and then work your way to the next ones. Yes, so this is the angle that is, I think I'm gonna have to do from now on. This video angle is much better. For my towel shapes, they're really just rectangles. So you just kind of put a lot of lines next to each other. And then for my little people, they're, like I said, they're just dots. I'm just using the French knot, I believe is what the stitch is called. So the people are just little French knots. The towels are rectangles, and the beach umbrellas are just little pizza slices. So a bunch of triangles. And that's about it. After that, you've got your little aerial beach embroidery. Yeah. So I hope you liked this video. Hopefully I'll make some more, or I know I will make some more. Taking videos is definitely a new art for me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.